Hello fellow Minecrafters. It looks like some of you are having trouble with the script, so I made another video explaining and doing a step-by-step how to set it up. I'm not going to do the automated task. I'm just going to try to get the Forge MCPC working for you with plugins. So here we go. Okay, first of all, make sure your folder where you're going to install the server is empty. Then you would go to my Dropbox link that I set for you. Okay, which should look like this. What I want you to do is go inside of the Forge MCPC, copy this, paste it in here. Okay, so next thing you need to do is double click this server start.bat. And you can see it'll download the archive.zip. That's what it's doing right now. Once it downloads it, it's going to extract all the files it needs. This is actually getting it straight from MCPC Plus website, the latest and greatest version of MCPC Plus, which I think right now is 1.7.2. So once it does that, while it's doing that, let me do that. I have to wait for this. Okay, I think it's 20 something megs, and then you're good. But basically, one of you is saying that there's a duplicate file. That's just a what do you call it? Just a message. I would ignore it. As long as the script still works, it works. It doesn't really create a duplicate file. But I took that portion out of the script, so hopefully it doesn't show up. If it does, don't worry about it. It's not doing anything. It's not really doing anything with a duplicate file. I think that was from an older script, so I updated this. So here we go. You can see it's down. Got the new. It extracted the newest MCPC Plus. Okay, it's setting everything up. Do not delete this Minecraft server 1.7.2 jar. It needs this, and this is going to change to craftbucket.jar. It's going to rename it once it's done. It's using the installer of MCPC. Right now it's extracting it to make a server batch, and this is what this is right here. So it's pretty much a command line installer for the server. Usually you would do the installer jar with something else, like installing a client or something. But don't worry about that. So what it is populating with the required libraries that Forge needs to properly function. So when you do this, don't put your mods in yet. Let's get all your plugins working. So here we go. It's about to start up. See, it renamed it to CraftBucket. It starts it right here. That's the anti-lag code. It's lighting up. See, it's configuring everything. See, there's the mods folder it's creating. Should be a config folder as well, and then the plugins folder they'll generate on its own, and it'll create a new world, all that stuff. So just give it a few seconds here. Just trying to launch properly. There it goes. Bam. Okay, see it created the config. It's creating the world right now. Here's the plugins folder that you can put all your plugins in, and it should work. You just put them in here, and I'll show you that. Okay, so this is starting up. It's good. Started up properly. So what I'm going to do, just for test, I already tested this, so I know how this works. Okay, so the scripts do work. I just got to pay attention a little bit here. So let me get this. I'm going to get essentials. Bucket. It's going to be for 1.7.2. I think that's what it's currently on anyway. So let's go here. Okay. Scroll down to downloads. Okay, download the latest one. You see it says 1.7.2. It's going to download a zip. So I already have it downloaded. Click this. it's saying 1 because I already have one. So I'm just lower this. I'm going to open up my downloads because that's where it's at. Okay, and it's a zip right here, essentials. So what you do is open it, right click, copy all of this. Sorry, go to here. Yeah, even while it's running, you can do this and just paste it. Your essentials plugins or whatever other plugins you have, like MCMMO or whatever you want to use with your Forge. Okay, so once you do that, this is all good. Everything's working. All you have to do is just restart. Okay, so just stop. Type in stop, and it's gonna wait about 20 milliseconds. Oh, I'm sorry, 20 seconds, maybe a little bit less, and then it'll reboot itself. When it reboots, it's gonna actually load these plugins here. Okay, and you're gonna see that here. Make it big so you can see it. Okay, and you'll see the files populating here. So there it goes. Anti-lag code. It's on my older laptop, so this is not that high speed as my desktop, but this is the clean setup, so I just want to make sure I don't run into any issues. So hopefully all this helps you out. I don't do the client-side mods. I only create server-side scripting and solutions. Client-side, you guys will have to do that because I'm not really into that that much. And I don't customize mods. I just try to get the server part running for you guys so you can enjoy playing once you create your client stuff for your users. Because this is really the hardest part, is the server stuff. So you can see it's loading here. There it goes. See that? Essentials are being loaded. Okay. So there should be a few folders that will pop up here. There it goes. Essentials folders. So you know that the plugin's working. It's loaded. Server's up. There's your essentials. Okay. And to make sure you have it, just type in plugins, and it will list the plugins that are currently installed. See that? There you go. So now you see that it works. To install more plugins, just stop your server, type in stop, and during this 20-second thing, you can just close it. Okay, because the server stopped. It's just a timer going. It's just giving you a chance to close the server after it properly shut down. Okay, so that's about it. If you have any more questions, here's the server part. Okay, this is what I disabled so you don't see that duplicate file. Okay, see this is designed for 1.6 right here. So I commented it out so it doesn't know this is for 1.7 or the newest. I'm sorry, not 0.7. And then oh, actually I didn't do it right here. Let's kill this. Right there is what I have to uncomment, and also this target, because it doesn't download the target. The target is for 1.6, so don't worry about that. Okay, it's fixed. I already fixed this on the script. Just download my script, follow these instructions that I just did here. Okay, once you get it working this without any mods, shut it down and then put your mods inside the mods folder and your mod configs into the config folder. Okay, and then just start the server back up by doing this. Okay, if you want to configure automated backups and stuff, see my first video. I'm going to put a link in here for the video in the actual description to my first video that I created. If you follow that, you should be fine. If you're having trouble, come to this video. Okay. All right, thank you very much. This is a response to some of your comments that you guys are having trouble with.